More energy level diagram for C2 molecule. C2 molecule is formed when two carbon react with each other, then it gives C2 molecule. Atomic number of carbon is 6, hence electron configuration becomes 1s2 2s2 2p2, while another carbon 1s2 2s2 2p2. In each carbon, 1s orbital contains 2 electrons. These are inner inside, hence such type of atomic orbital do not take part in bonding. While outermost shell contains 2s2 and 2p2, again 2s2 2p2, these two atomic orbital overlap with each other. 2s orbital overlap with each other, 2p orbital overlap with each other. Hence, now say with the help of LCAO principle, 2s atomic orbital overlap with each other, then it gives sigma bonding. While 2s atomic orbital, their sign is different. Such type of atomic orbital present on the axis, they do not mix with each other, they are separated from each other. Node is formed in between two orbitals. Such type of molecular orbitals are called as antibonding molecular orbital, and these atomic molecular orbitals are called as bonding molecular orbitals. Bonding molecular orbitals are shown at the lower side, while antibonding molecular orbitals are shown at the higher side. Also, pp orbital overlap with each other, px atomic orbital overlap with each other. The sign of atomic orbital is same. Such type of atomic orbital overlap with each other, then bonding molecular orbitals are formed. While sign of atomic orbital is different, such type of atomic orbital overlap with each other, then it gives antibonding molecular orbitals. Also, py and pz atomic orbitals are perpendicular to the axis. These two atomic orbital overlap with each other, then pi bond is formed. Such type of pi bonding are called as bonding molecular orbitals. While sign of atomic orbital is different, py and pz, these two atomic orbital overlap with each other, then node is formed. These dotted line are called as node. Also, these dotted line are also called as node. Node is formed in between two atomic orbitals. They are called as antibonding molecular orbitals, and such type of molecular orbitals are shown at the higher side. Hence, now in MO energy level diagram, in which 2s atomic orbital overlap with each other, then bonding molecular orbitals are formed. While 2s atomic orbital, their sign is different. Such type of molecular orbitals are called as antibonding molecular orbitals. They are shown at the higher side. Also, p orbital overlap with each other, px, py and pz. These three atomic orbital overlap with each other, then bonding as well as antibonding molecular orbitals are formed. Px atomic orbital overlap with each other. This is px. Then sigma bond is formed. Sign of atomic orbital is same. They are called as bonding molecular orbital. Sign of atomic orbital is different. They are called as antibonding molecular orbital. Antibonding molecular orbital are shown at the higher side, while bonding molecular orbitals are shown at the lower side. Also, py and pz atomic orbital overlap with each other. This is py pz atomic orbital overlap with each other. Then sign of atomic orbital is same. These are shown at the lower side, while sign of atomic orbital is different. They are shown at the higher side. That is, node is formed in between two atomic orbital. They are called as antibonding molecular orbital. While they are mixed with each other, they are called as bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital are shown at the lower side. Antibonding molecular orbital are shown at the higher side. This is MO energy level diagram. Now, electron enter according to Hund's rule and Abbott's principle. Now in p orbital at the right hand side 2 electrons are present, also left hand side 2 electrons are present, that is total 4 electrons are present. These 4 electrons enter with the help of Hund's rule and Abbott's principle, that is first lower level is filled, then higher level is also filled. 1, 2, 3 and 4, hence 2 electrons present in pi 2 py, also 2 electrons present in pi 2 pz. Also in s orbital contains 2 electrons, again s orbital contains 2 electrons, that is total 4 electrons are present, and these also 4 electrons enter with the help of Hund's rule and Abbott's principle, that is lower level first field, then higher level, hence electron enter in bonding molecular orbital as well as antibonding orbitals. Now total 4 electrons are present. This is 4 electrons. These 4 electrons 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is bonding contains 2 and antibonding molecular orbital contains 2. Then calculate bond order. Bond order means number of covalent bond present in molecule are called as bond order. Bond order is calculated with the help of formula number of electron present in bonding, half of number of electron present in bonding minus number of electron present in antibonding. That is bonding molecular orbital contains total 6 electron, these 2 and these 4, total 6 electron. While antibonding means higher level, antibonding molecular orbitals 2 electron and here 0 electron, means total 2 electron. These 2 electron present in total 2 electron present in antibonding molecular orbital. Hence with the help of calculation to get answer 2, hence 2 covalent bond present in carbon molecule. Then next point, magnetic property. In molecular orbital in which paired electrons are present, this is paired electrons, then such type of properties are called as diamagnetic property. While in molecular orbital in which this molecular orbital in which unpaired electrons are present, they are called as antibonding, they are called as paramagnetic properties. That is carbon molecule is diamagnetic in nature because molecular orbital each and every orbital molecular orbital contains paired electrons. Then next point, stabilization energy. Energy, when two elements combine with each other, then energy is released. As such type of energy are called as stabilization energy. Stabilization energy is calculated with the help of formula number of electron present in bonding into minus beta plus number of electron present in antibonding into plus beta, that is 6 into minus beta, and antibonding contains 2 electron, 2 into plus beta, we get minus 4 beta. Last point, MO electron configuration. MO electron configuration for carbon molecule. In carbon molecule, first cell contains 1s2, 1s2. One K stands for 1s2, another K stands for 1s2. Hence, here K and another K is written. While sigma 2s, that is molecular orbital electron configuration, is written as lower level to higher level. Hence, sigma 2s contains 2, sigma star 2s contains 2, pi 2 py, pi 2 pz contains total 4 electron. They are called as MO electron configuration. Now see, this K stands for first 1s2, another K 1s2, lower L sigma 2s contains 2, sigma star 2s contains 2, pi 2 py, pi 2 pz contains 4 electron. This is MO electron configuration. Such type of energy level diagram are called as MO energy level diagram. Again, MO energy level diagram for N2 molecule, nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen molecule is formed When one nitrogen react with another nitrogen, it gives N2 molecule. This N2 molecule is called as homonuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear diatomic molecule means two same element combine with each other, they are called as homonuclear diatomic molecule. Atomic number of nitrogen is 7, hence electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Another nitrogen again 7, electron configuration becomes 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now then MO energy level diagram. First draw energy. Why energy is drawn here? Because two nitrogen react with each other, they required energy, hence energy is shown in this side. One nitrogen shown at the left hand side, another nitrogen shown at the right hand side. These two nitrogen combine with each other, then N2 molecule is shown in intermediate between these two nitrogen. Now nitrogen first cell contains 2 electrons. These are inner inside. Such type of atomic orbital do not take part in bonding, while outermost shell contains 2s2 2p3, 2s2 2p3. ss orbital is same, hence 2s orbital contains 2, 2s orbital contains 2 are shown here. These two atomic orbital overlap with each other. When sign of atomic orbital is same, then such type of atomic orbital combine with each other or overlap with each other, their density of nucleus increases, they are called as bonding molecular orbitals. While 2s atomic orbital overlap with each other, their sign is different. Such type of atomic orbital do not mix with each other, they are separated from each other, and node is formed in between two atomic orbitals. Such type of molecular orbitals are called as antibonding molecular orbitals. Total, now first electron field. 2s orbital contains 2 electron, means total 4 electron. Here 2, again here 2. Total 4 electron. 4 electron enter with the help of Abbott's principle and Hund's rule. First lower level field, then higher level field. 4 electron entry, 1 2, hence here to show 2 electrons, 1 2 3 4, hence sigma 2s contains 2 electron, sigma star 2s contains 2 electron. Again p orbitals, p orbital, 2p orbital contains 3 electron and another nitrogen 2p orbital contains 3 electron. These 3 electron enter in bonding as well as antibonding molecular orbitals. Now this is 2 px, py and pz. Px, py and pz. Px atomic orbital overlap with each other. Atomic orbitals are present on the axis. These two atomic orbital overlap with each other, then sigma bonding are formed, sigma star antibonding is formed. While py and pz atomic orbital are perpendicular to the axis, hence pi bonding is formed. Sign of atomic orbital is same, they are called as bonding molecular orbital. Sign of atomic orbital is different, they are called as antibonding molecular orbitals. Bonding are shown at the lower side, antibonding are shown in the higher side. Total here, total 6 electron, 3 plus 3, total 6 electrons. 6 electron enter in the molecular orbital, lower level, first lower level field, then higher level, hence 1 2 3 4, that is pi py contains 2, pi pz contains 2. Again 2 electrons are present, these electrons enter in sigma 2px, 5 and 6, that is total 6 electron enter in bonding molecular orbital. Now then calculate bond order. Bond order means number of covalent bond present in molecule, they are called as bond order. Bond order, number of electron present in bonding molecular orbitals, total electrons are 2 plus 6, 8 electrons. And antibonding molecular orbital, here 2 electrons are present, here electrons are absent, means 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. Bond order is calculated with the help of formula half of number of electron present in bonding orbital minus number of electron present in antibonding molecular orbital. Hence we get answer 3, that is 3 covalent bonds are present in nitrogen. Again, stabilization energy is calculated with the help of formula number of electron present in bonding into minus beta plus number of electron present in antibonding into here minus beta, here plus beta. Total answer is minus 6 beta. 8 into minus beta plus 2 into plus beta, answer minus 6 beta. Magnetic property in molecular orbital in which paired electrons are present, such type of molecules are diamagnetic in nature. Now in nitrogen, each and every molecular orbital paired electrons are present, hence magnetic properties are diamagnetic. Then MO electron configuration in nitrogen, 1s orbital do not take part in bonding. First case stands for 1s2, another case stands for 1s2. Then MO electron configuration means lower to higher electron return. How many electrons present in molecular orbital they are return are called as MO electron configuration. Now at the lower side, sigma 2s contains 2, sigma star 2s contains 2, pi 2py pi 2pz contains total 4 electrons, and sigma 2px contains 2 electron. This is MO electron configuration for nitrogen, and these are energy level diagram for nitrogen molecules.